Are you ready? Ready?
Yes, I Hey!
Welcome back, my lovely people. Welcome back to my kitchen. Mama P's in the kitchen again today, and she is ready to roll.
Alright.
So come and roll with me.
Alright, so Tommy, so what are you making today?
Alright, today I'm making one of my favorite things. You know, the holiday is coming, so you know people have a lot of sweet tooth, and so I am going to make my favorite thing, bread pudding, today.
Nice. Alright, so tell me, what are the ingredients?
Oh, well, the ingredients here are, this is 2 loaves of bread. You know, it's not that stale, but this is 2 loaves of bread. And here I have salt, but I'm just gonna put a pinch of salt in there, not too much, just to bring up the flavor, you know, from all the spice. And here's the evap milk, my vanilla, cinnamon, and some almond extract. I also like to put white rum in my cake. And guys, I like to put Baileys, and you can see this Baileys here, it have vanilla and cinnamon in there also. Here I have like a cup and about a quarter of sugar. I have 2% milk, but of course you can use any milk you want. And I have here some soaked raisins that I'm gonna put in there.
They were soaked in red wine.
Yes, and then here I have my nutmeg. And I have 3 eggs right here. And I have 4 tablespoons of butter.
Nice, nice. All right.
Yes. Okay, so now I am going to start by measuring my milk. I'm going to put like 3 cups of milk in there. This is 2% milk, guys, but you can use anything you want.
You see, like, you see she got a huge measuring cup, so this cup is really big.
Yeah,
so
let's see. All right, so this is 3 cups of milk. And I'm also gonna use a can of evap milk. I'm gonna melt my butter because I don't want to put it in this one. So I'm gonna melt it and then let it cool off. So let me put it in the microwave for a minute and get it melted. Let's see if 30 seconds can melt it. Let's see if this is melted. All right, so this is good. So here I'm gonna crack my eggs. I like to crack them and do them like this because I don't like when I'm mixing it up, I don't want any shells to be in there. So this way I can see if shells are in there when you crack your eggs. And I like to get the hides of the egg out too. I don't like to see them. So I like to get them out of the mixture.
Spots,
yeah, these little white things. Let me go over to the sink and take them out. All right, let's go over back to where I'm gonna do my mixture. All right, so now I am ready. Okay, so here I'm gonna go in with my sugar. I just use a cup and a little bit of sugar because we don't want it too sweet. Not too sweet, guys. All right, so I'm gonna put a half a teaspoon of the vanilla extract in there.
You mean the almond extract?
The almond extract, yeah, sorry. I'm gonna put a teaspoon of cinnamon. And I'm gonna put a tablespoon of vanilla. You can put a tablespoon and a little more of vanilla. Yes. I'm gonna put a tablespoon of rum. All right, that's that. And here,
You're gonna put a tablespoon of Bailey's.
here, oops, wow, that's a little, about a tablespoon and a half of Bailey's. Or 2 tablespoons, yes. So now, I'm just gonna eyeball the nutmeg. All right, so now I'm gonna mix this all in. Make sure you mix out all that sugar.
Mm-hmm. And it smells good. It's like as soon as she had put that Bailey's in the rum, you can just, woo!
I just love to put.
Yeah, it just tastes, I could just love it. I just love it. It smells really good.
This is like authentic Jamaican
Bread pudding.
bread pudding. And of course, the milk and everything, I put them at room temperature, so they will be easy to mix. All right, I'm gonna beat my eggs. This is a simple recipe, guys, easy to make. Very easy and simple. One of my subscribers asked for this, so I said, okay, let me go ahead and do it.
Yes, a family friend.
Yeah. All right, so I think this egg is well beaten now. So I'm gonna pour it in the mixture. And I'm also going to put just a pinch of salt, not too much, because you don't want too much salt in it. You just want a pinch of salt in there just to bring the flavor up with all the ingredients. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with my egg, with my oil, my butter. My butter, sorry about that. With my butter. It's cool though. You don't want to put this in your mixture hot, guys, because you don't want that.
The egg you don't want it to get clumpy because the egg in there will start to cook.
Yeah.
So that's why she had microwaved it, but then she, she left it at room temperature.
Let it cool off.
Yes.
You don't want to get it clumpy in there. And of course, the butter make things taste real nice too. The flavor from the butter and everything will, give you a nice taste in your cake. See? It's not clumping up or anything. All right, so my mixture is ready. So now I'm gonna move over to my can. I'm gonna spray the can with some baking spray. Because guys, you gotta grease your pan. You gotta make sure the grease get all over your can, because you don't want your thing to stick to
the sides or the bottom.
Okay, so here I am going to put some of my bread in there. So I really cut these really small and crunch them up, and I mix the bread. I put some white bread and some whole grain bread in there,
It doesn't matter what bread.
So
It's just she just likes to use white or wheat.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. All right. And then if the person don't want to put any raisins, because some people don't like raisins and stuff like that, they don't have to put it. All right, so now let me put some more of this bread.
Seems like she's just layering it. Bread, raisin, bread, raisin.
Seems like. All right, so I'm gonna put the rest of the raisin there.
All right, guys, so now she's gonna pour the mixture.
All right, so now I'm going to leave this here. I'm gonna leave this here for about half an hour for the bread to soak, and then I'll put it in the oven. All right, so now that the bread, it has soaked up all that nice ingredient, so now I am getting ready to put it in the oven, and I am going to cover it so it just stay nice and flat and it doesn't burn, you know, when I put it in. Let me go in here. All right, so I'm going to put it right in there. And I'm going to stuck it in there for about 45 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and check it. Okay, so my 45 minutes is up. I'm going to look at my my bread to see what it looks like. All right. Okay, so I'm going to take it up and put it right here. Still need to bake some more. Let's see. Still need to bake some more. When you say the knife is wet, it's not fully baked yet. But by the time I put the glaze on the top and put it back in there for another 15 minutes, it will be baked. So what I'm gonna do, a little of this syrup in there.
It's maple syrup.
I just like to brush the top of mine with some. And then, everybody do them things differently. They can put whatever they want. And then I put a little bit of honey there. So, I am gonna brush the top of my bread with some of this syrup. Okay, that looks good. That looks perfecto. I am going to put this back in the oven for another 15-20 minutes. Uncovered, because I want the top to be nice and glazed and brown. All right, so there you go. All right. Let's see here. Okay, this looks good. Wow. So let's check. All right, that looked good. So I'm gonna leave it there to cool for about an hour before I cut it. I can't cut into it right now. You don't want it falling apart. So when it's cool, about another hour, then I will share you guys a plate.
All right.
There you have it. Mama P delicious bread pudding. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And leave me a comment. And please touch that notification bell, that whenever I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you and have a blessed day.